Over the past 12 years here at Goody Reader, we have created some important partnerships with different companies like Sony, Fujitsu, Onyx, Supernote, Kobo, etc. There have been a lot. There have been a couple that have eluded us, like Sharp. Finally been in communication with them, and they sent us the Sharp WG-PN1, which is basically the electronic note. This is running e-ink, it is running a Wacom pen, it is running USB-C. It's pretty recent. It's 2019 December, 2020 January kind of release, so it is fairly new. So let's check it out. Sharp honestly hasn't made too many devices in this scope before, so we are going to just do an unboxing and see everything that comes in the box. Kind of everything's stuffed in there, hard to take out. So the box opens on both ends like that, and we have the note-taking stylus here. Oh, very heavy weighted aluminum with a white tip, but the tip is very long. It's like a bottom of an ice cream cone. I don't think there's any eraser at the back, nothing twists off. The whole thing is made out of metal, including the lapel clips. That's pretty cool. Here is the USB-C cable and the little box insert, and we have some documentation as well. So the electronic note, if you guys end up buying this, which we may or may not sell on our website. We haven't decided if we'll get distribution for this, but if you do lose your manual, you can go ahead and pause the video at any time on this. Now, you might be wondering, this is all in Japanese. You are very much correct. We do not know whether this device will be in English or not, but you do get a free case, because this was kind of factory sealed. And it wasn't sealed in plastic, but it looks like you do get a case, and I'm not sure, but it does look like it is latched in there. Oh, look at that. The device itself comes built in with this tension, this rigid tension pole here, so it slips onto the case. Oh, that's very interesting design. We've never seen a design like that before. You have USB-C on the bottom, nothing on the side, nothing on the top, nothing on the other side, and I actually don't even know where the power button is. I guess it's just the home button. I have to just press that and see what happens. Yes, it is. So we'll just do a first time startup just to show you guys that it does boot up. And we will get into a full review when we get into a review. But for now, this is everything that comes along in the box. Sharp is one of those companies that you wouldn't expect to make a digital note-taking device in 2020, but here it is all the same. So stay tuned to youtube.com/goodyreader to see more on this and for a full unboxing of the Sharp electronic note. This is Peter.